It's snowing outside and I don't feel like taking videos of repairing or removing anything. Today I will take an indoor video about Jaguar X-type keyfob repair and Jaguar X-type keyfob battery replacement. So let's start. First of all, we should split the flip key. There are two ways of doing it, depends on how many times your keyfob was split before. You can just pull its two parts apart and the key comes open. If not, you can take a screwdriver, push it into the hole on the backside of the key fob, pry it gently and the fob will surely open. After that, we should split the part which contains the battery. You should put the screwdriver into the slot and pry it too, or twist the screwdriver if it is wide enough. Then the key shell will come open and you can split it with bare hands. To prevent the key fob from breaking, you should pry it gently from more than one place around the shell. After that, we will remove the circuit board because the battery is placed behind it. I will unscrew a small screw with a screwdriver and remove first the screw and then the circuit board. So we got the battery out. Jaguar keyfob is equipped with a 2032 type battery, so let's check the voltage before replacing it. I make use of a simple multimeter. The voltage shouldn't be below 3 volts. If it is less than 3 volts, the battery should be replaced. In my case, the battery is okay. So I will show you what parts the circuit board of an X-type keyfob consists of and how it can be repaired. At least in my case, it helped. As for the battery, it should be positioned correctly. There is no contact on the lower part of the keyfob shell, only on its side. So the battery should be placed with a plus end down towards the shell and the ground end without writings toward the circuit board. If the battery is placed incorrectly, the keyfob just will not work because it is foolproof. It will not make a circuit. The X-typer will have to split the keyfob once again and place the battery correctly. But suppose that the battery is okay. You press on the key and the keyfob either doesn't work or you have to press the keys hard to open or close your car. In my case, soldering joints of the buttons and the chip cracked, and when I pressed the buttons hard, I pressed them to the circuit board and that gave a contact. So I had to hit the pins of the buttons and the chip with a soldering iron and restore the contacts. After that, the keyfob issue was fixed and it is still in a working order for already 5 or 6 years. Sometimes X-typers are searching for new buttons to replace old ones. But I will split one of my buttons just to show you that there is nothing inside the button to be spoiled or broken. Yes, you understand quite correctly. I will split a working button of my keyfob just for you to show you what it consists of. And I think I deserve at least a like to this video, and at most, the donation link is as usual in description below. So I split the button. There are 2 minor clips on opposite sides of the button cover. You should be careful not to break them. A plastic thin film isolator is inside the button. That's why I wouldn't use any oils or spirits to restore the contacts, so that not to spoil that thin film isolator. It seems quite easy to draw the parts of the button together, but in fact it took me about 1 hour, and I cut the video to save your time. So I don't recommend you to split buttons. In most cases, there is nothing to be repaired inside. So I cleaned the inner buttons with a needle, then the rubber outside buttons and the keyfob shell with a duster. And I put the circuit board on its place, sliding it from the right to the left. Put the screw into the hole, screwed it with the screwdriver. Then clicked two pieces of the keyfob shell together, attached a flip key part to the keyfob, and went outside to check the keyfob. you see everything is working properly. If you liked this video, all the activities are welcome. Likes, shares, subscriptions, donations, all these things will help me to take more and more new interesting videos for you.